For cleaning and maintaining your hearing aids, we recommend cleaning the mould regularly with a wet wipe, ideally one with little or no fragrance, as it can be irritating to the skin. If there's something stuck in the tube, such as wax, and it's affecting the sound of your hearing aids, you can attempt to clear this using two methods. In your black pouch that you would have received at your fitting appointment, there should be a small device with a brush and a magnet on one end and a hook on the other. You can use this hook to scrape out any debris near the opening of your ear mould. If the debris is deeper in the tube, you can simply take the tube and the mould off the hearing aid by pulling them apart. Then hold the tube and mould under warm running water for about a minute. This will clear out any debris left in the tube. It's very important you leave it apart from the hearing aid overnight or long enough for the tube and mould to fully dry. You shouldn't reattach them while still wet, as you run the risk of doing moisture damage to the internal workings. Once fully dry, you simply take the two pieces and reattach them. It's often easier to do this at a slight angle.